Why didn't he revive?
There must be an oxygen inhibition property to that compound. You couldn't identify these guys.
We're in uncharted waters. No legal constraints, no ethical boundaries.
I knew it, Mac. I knew I was right.